How to speed up a video on Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. Now, tap and hold the capture button to take a video. You can also drag left to go hands-free. Edit the snap as you like. You can explore and use the filters available below. Keep swiping to find the fast-forward filter option as shown. This filter will speed up the video. There are two options. One will be in 2x speed and the other will be in 3x speed. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can easily speed up a video on Snapchat. You can also slow it down by using filters like slow-mo. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.